Hi, my name is William Russell, and this is a presentation on congruent triangles and the SSS postulate. Let us say you have two identical triangles, scaling triangles. They are named ABC and XYQ respectively. Yes, I used that Q instead of a Z to make sure people are paying attention. Okay, so let's say that line YQ and line BC are equal. Now, we mark that they are equal by these nice little dash through each side that says the line with this red dash is equal to the line with the other red dash. Or line BC is equal to line YQ. Now, from this we can infer that line XQ and line AC are also equal, and the same applies to line AB and XY, YX. So you mark them as such with two lines marking other lines with two lines as equal, and 3 and 3. Basically just match the number of lines to the number of lines. And we can determine that all three sets of lines are equal, meaning line BC is equal to line YQ, line AB is equal to line XY, I wrote that wrong, and line AC is equal to line XQ. And so we can determine that both of the triangles are equal. Now, based on this information, we can also determine quite easily that the angles are equal. So angle XYQ is equal to angle ABC. And the same applies to all the other angles, including but not limited to XQY and ACB and QXY and CAB, respectively, as marked by the angles with multiple little curved things, whose names I do not remember. And so we can determine that not only are all the sides equal, but all the angles must be equal. The question is, how do we know this? Well, this is all complying with the SSS postulate. A postulate being just a fancy math term for something that can be generally assumed, like the SSS method of determining congruence. So let's go back to this slide right here. This means that you can extrapolate all this information that you see here from the information that you see here. Heck, even the information that you see right here. Because if the measure of one line is equal to the measure of another line on a different triangle, then that means that then all you need to determine is the measure of another side, and you'll be able to determine whether or not the third remaining side is equal. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you.